doesn't like chocolate-covered pretzels? I can't think of anybody. I've made chocolate-covered raisins. I've made chocolate-covered bananas. But I love chocolate. Do you like chocolate? Come on into my kitchen and let's make chocolate-covered pretzels that you're gonna love. I'm gonna use Tony's chocolate. This is milk chocolate. I'm gonna use my everything chocolate bar. Put a little of that in. As you can see, I've been eating. Okay, we are melted. Just gonna make a few of them to show you. And you don't even have to touch them. 1, 2, 3, you can have your chocolate in 5 minutes. 5 to 10 minutes, but really 5 minutes. Coffee and chocolate, wow, that goes nicely together. I love fashion. And a lot of people say, oh, you know, for that age, you can't wear that. No, you can. If you look good, wear it. That's my motto. So, bring it to a party and have some fun. Hi, and welcome again to Annie's Angle and Danny's Kitchen. Today I have a treat for you, and it's a treat. Believe me, who doesn't like chocolate-covered pretzels? I can't think of anybody. But I love chocolate-covered pretzels, and it's so easy to do that 1, 2, 3, you can have your chocolate in 5 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes, but really 5 minutes. It's so easy. All you need is a toaster oven, chocolate, and a Pyrex bowl. So grab a cup of coffee. I'll tell you what we're going to use in this. Coffee and chocolate pretzels. Woo, that goes so nicely, doesn't it? Wow. So I buy organic whenever I can. I have these pretzels I'm going to use. And I'm going to use Tony's chocolate. This is milk chocolate, but you can also use an everything bar, which I might put a little bit of that in too, just to have everything chocolate. Woo! And all it takes is 5 minutes. So that's all you need. Can you believe that? And you have your own, very own chocolate-covered pretzels. I've made chocolate-covered raisins. I've made chocolate-covered bananas. But I love chocolate. Do you like chocolate? It's just such a nice treat. And sometimes you just don't want a chocolate bar. You want some pretzels with it. That's why in some of these bars, they put pretzels in there already. But you can make your own, and it's so easy. And just, you know, I have parchment paper. I'm going to put it on. So come on into my kitchen and let's make chocolate-covered pretzels that you're going to love. In 5 minutes, I guarantee. Okay, all we're going to do is so simple. Put our chocolate in there. Just throw it in, and I'm going to use my everything chocolate bar. Put a little of that in. As you can see, I've been eating. And we're going to pop that in the oven until it's melted, which should take about 5 minutes. That's all we're going to do. Okay, we are melted. You see how? A little bit hot. A little bit, but it's melted. Let me just turn it to you, and it's got the everything chocolate in there. So that's why it's a little bit bumpy, because I wanted everything chocolate. So let's just put our pretzels in there and cover them nicely. Just gonna make a few of them to show you, and you don't even have to touch them. Just put them on the parchment paper, and there you go. You have it. You can make them as thick with chocolate as you like. I think that one's got to be thicker. What do you think? Does that look beautiful or what? And I'm going to just put more in. I just love chocolate-covered pretzels. And they're so easy to make, you know, and there's really no mess. Just to you, because you'll be eating them. And we'll do one more. And of course, before I taste them, I'm going to be tasting them with my coffee. Oh, and that's it. There you have it. So it is so easy and so, what can I say? Here you go. Do these look beautiful or what? They do. Yum. So let's go take a taste, and we'll come back and take a taste. I hope you made yours so you could taste it with me. So, did you make your chocolate-covered pretzels? That takes 5 minutes, and it's I've eaten about 4 of them already. I can't stop eating them. I better stop, huh? So, but with coffee and chocolate covered pretzels, whoa, what else could you ask for? So let's try it together, come on. Oh, ready? Whoa, that is delicious. Let's wash it down with a little coffee. Did you make your coffee too? Coffee and chocolate, wow, that goes nicely together. Wow, so like this video, subscribe to my channel. For those of you who have subscribed to my channel, thank you so much, I really appreciate it. Come again, we'll be cooking up a storm, or maybe we'll make another treat. You know, I love fashion. And a lot of people say, oh, you know, for that age, you can't wear that. No, you can. If you look good, wear it. That's my motto. If it suits you and you like it, wear it. So, come again, we'll be cooking up a storm. And I like crafts. I'm a fitness instructor. I like everything. But most of all, I like being with you. So, come again and let's have fun. And make your chocolate covered pretzels because you're going to love them. I really guarantee it. And you know, you can put them away, have them the next day. Oh, I'm a chocolate mess right now. So enjoy your day. Thanks for stopping to Nanny's Angle. Bye-bye for now.